Hey yo, I'm back in another video, man. Today, man. This video, man, I'm gonna fight these people. There's a police officer guy. You're gonna see that police officer walking. So I'm gonna fight. I'm gonna beat him, beat his face up, fight him, beat him up, go to jail. That's what I'm gonna post. I'm gonna post that on YouTube, guys, to watch, guys. So we're gonna start this, my guys. Let's get at 90 views my video, guys. So let's get at 90 views. Don't subscribe, like, comment, subscribe, like my video, guys. Don't miss channel, don't miss video all. Don't miss subscribe, don't miss video all. Click that little bell, guys. So my YouTube channel, go to my account, go to my Google account, guys. You're gonna see everything. What's my game, guys. So guys, let's start the match, guys. Let's go. Talking about, man. So let's go, bro. Bro, stop beating me, bro. Bro, what's up, bro? This means I'm putting me in jail. This guy. This means this is the office now. How this me talking so much? This guy, bro. See that I'm doing? Alright, guys. So let's. Oh, what that mean doing, bro? This means he'll be like running to me. You got blood, bro. I just being up, bro. 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 Bro, this is Hulk over there, bro. Look, guys. Hulk. Look, guys. I'm gonna fight Marvel, guys. I can see Jason. Give me a gun, bro. Hey, why are you talking? Wow, why you steal my gun, bro? I'm sorry, Hulk, bro. I gotta shot this guy, bro. What the heck, bro? Hey, somebody get the phone. Get the phone, bro. I'm sorry, Hulk, bro. I can't fight you, Hulk. Alright, bro. I'm not, bro. Bro, what are you talking about? Gotcha. Alright, let me get up to jail, bro. Somebody going to jail? Oh, somebody died. Why you did that, bro? Kidding, bro. Choke it down, man. Alright, guys, so look. Bro, that mean just kill me, bro. Bro, that mean just shook me, bro. Give me it. Bro, what are you talking about, bro? Bro, what are you this man talking about? I win, bro. Good job, bro. WWE, bro. I'm to sleep, bro. Alright guys, it's not sleeping guys, so I don't like it's like 20 hours I'm been sleeping so long, bro. Look how hope guys. Guys, I know when that game can hope. You guys can see that hope, guys, first time hit that bang. The next day all the sleep man, about to be morning time, 10 hours, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17, 17, 18, 19. Wake up. Nice, man. Let me show that. Alright, let me get at the check, bro. But this may play too much. Alright guys, I got some. So let's jump this video, guys. So we're gonna start. I'm gonna pick somebody I got to fight. Move on. I said that guy's weak, bro. This that video, he got weak. That can see hope. I put hope in the thing, bro. This man weak, bro. Alright guys, let me get out this thing, bro. That's that weak, bro. That's not gonna try this out me. Go, bro. I'm not playing, bro. I am trying with you, bro. See guys, I'm trying with you guys. Look guys, weak people, guys. So bro. Alright guys, this man is weak, bro. Alright man, let's put this guy. Alright man. Up, man. Bro, too loud. Okay, this is amazing, bro. The fun, bro? Alright, man, it's fun, bro. You jumped out. Oh, you choking me. What you talking about? Nice shot, man. That's how you do it, bro. All the people don't mess with me, bro. Thank you, bro. Give me $3, bro. that. Oh, Zen. This thing going over there. He almost shot me. You kidding me, bro? Alright guys, I got subscribe, hit that bell. Don't miss video all guys so subscribe. You guys can see Facebook. One more time guys, Facebook. All last time post this video on YouTube guys. All guys watching the video guys. I got subscribe, press that bell. Don't miss video all guys. You guys can see Facebook, man and table. I know that thing called video guys. So I know you guys subscribe, hit that bell so you guys can see Facebook. Subscribe, man. This thing called we're going to Play Store, darling it. You guys gonna see everything guys. So subscribe and hit that bell. So peace out guys. Peace out man.